Hello everyone, welcome to MicDraft and Strength. Today's session is on parabola by rectangle method. If you are preparing for exam, don't forget to check out my previous videos. They all are exam oriented and they will definitely support your preparation. So let's start our actual topic. So in exam, the question may ask, draw the parabola having a base length 80 mm and axis height 50 mm by rectangle method. So in problem, given data is length is given 80 mm and the height of that rectangle is 50 mm. So let's start our actual construction. Draw the base length of rectangle, that is 80 mm. Mark that 80 mm length as a AB and then draw the height of the rectangle at 50 mm and mark as CD. So we form one rectangle which is 80 by 50 mm. Next step is to make O as a midpoint of base AB and draw a line OV perpendicular to AB at O. Next step is divide AO and AD into 5 parts roughly and name that part as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash and 4 dash. Next step, draw a line joining from point A to V and 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash with V. Through point 1, draw a vertical line in upward direction and it intersect to V1 dash line and mark that point as P1. Repeat the same procedure to mark the point P2, P3 and P4. Repeat the same procedure in other half of the rectangle. Please note, construction lines are always kept faint in real practice. I have drawn here bold because for better visibility. Use edge to edge pencils for construction lines, so you will get a better results. Join all the points by smooth curve to obtain the required parabola. So this is all about parabola by rectangle method. Hope you liked the session. Thank you.